Hi all, I'm Sasa and welcome to my Apple Watch unboxing video. This is my prize for winning first place in an AI competition at my uni. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, wow, there are two small boxes inside. Wow. Okay, so I'll put them side by side. So the pen and the case, as you can see. Let's open the case box first. Okay, so far so good. There is the case on the left, and on the right side, it's the charging cable. I'm trying hard to actually open it aesthetically, but I failed, so it's fine. Now let's open the pen box. Now we have both the pen and the case. We just need to connect them now. Yay, it's done!